Brass terminals. Country of origin, United States. High quality, voltage insulating material. Fit type, vehicle specific. Designed with performance in mind. High quality, voltage insulating material. Brass terminals. Used for MSD PN, 8433-8467. Top reviews from the United States. MSD for MSD distributor. Have tried MSD knockoffs and they don't last. The terminals inside corrode pretty fast. The MSD cap, rotor kit has the brass terminals that conduct electricity better. The wires make a positive snap onto the terminals. It also comes with the screws that I needed to screw it to the distributor. Worked out excellent.